This short clip is from my live trading room. You can engage directly with my fabulous team and me at LaDucTrading.com for all our research and trades. Or for just my daily live streams, you can access via YouTube memberships. All links are in the description. This is green. You got a little bounce here in the energy complex. A little bit. Little green on the scene. This is spot nat gas, which, by the way, is kind of curious. I wonder if it's going to come back all the way down to 3.4. But this CRAK ETF, I'm going to post these as bearish. So this is Valero. This is refiners, but PBF, MPC, that's a head and shoulders again that bears watching, even though this ULSD has already run down massively from overbought to, I would say, probably fairly valued. But still, this is of interest to me, that particular pattern, because last time it was here was a really nice head and shoulders. It was much tighter. It was much tighter, much more defined. It ended up being a phenomenal short until Valero hit 100. And now Valero's 150. So my point is a little bit wider, but this is another potential short in the refiner complex. So let's go take a look at VLO, for example. You've got VLO that made it all the way up to my price target of this 184.79, otherwise known as 185. And then it got rejected and it formed a bearish engulfing. And then now the 10-week is starting to roll over. It's just starting. But you saw the CRAK spread, you saw the ULSD. Anyway, at the time, that same CRAK, C-R-A-K is the ETF, it was much more defined as a head and shoulder, but the Valero itself had also reached this inside Harami and it pulled back. You can see how this was amazing, right into 100. Look at that. Is that gorgeous? 100 week. And MPC did something similar. And look at that. From that head and shoulders that I identified in refiners, all of the refiners pulled back. PBF was the most oversold. Oh my God. All right. So this is what's happening. And PBF is taking off faster than the others. So it's not okay. So I'm very grateful that Bob warned us, and he did beautifully right here, and said on this green candle, and I posted it in his channel for anyone who trades oil, that's it. It's overbought, ULSD, and refiners are going to come in, and they have. And now look, it looks oversold, but now I have this pattern, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. It's wider than this, but you remember how this worked. So I am going to be watching this very closely. If it's a continuation pattern, it would have to get right back above, and I don't think that's where it's going to go right now. So it looks vulnerable. You know my baseline bet. I'm bearish crude. Nat gas is the widowmaker. We're settling a little bit right now on 3.8. This is the spot. XNG USD, but we got a trend line down in 3.4. CRAK ETF is forming a head and shoulders, and then we've got some bounces in gasoline futures, but we have a breakdown in ULSD futures. So let's just keep an open mind and move along.
Join Club today to engage with Samantha and her team of 10 experts. Scan this QR code or click the link in the description. Subscribe to LaDuc Trading YouTube channel for more live trading room recap videos and other content.